So hello friends, welcome to all of you. So today's live session is started. Today's chapter is international cooperation. So all the notes you have to write down. International cooperation. So let's go to the next page. Issues and challenges on international cooperation. And let's go to the next page. Power-based approaches of cooperation. Let's go to the next page for more answer. Value of knowledge-based theories of cooperation. Let's go to the next page. Strong cognitism. Let's go to the next page. Frameworks of international cooperation. Let's go to the next page. Independence theory, neo-functionalism. Let's go to the next page. There is Gandhian percepts for international cooperation. Let's go to the next page. Gandhian perception for international cooperation. Second part it is. Let's go to the next page. And this is the summary section of this chapter. Summary and suggested reading section. Let's go to the next page. This is the terminal question and suggested readings section. So kindly like the video and share the video. Thank you everybody.